Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to deposit money in Pocket Option using Visa card. Adding funds Pocket Option with Visa card is one of those things that looks complicated, but once you're inside the platform, it's actually pretty straightforward. What I usually do is log into my account, head over to the finance section, and click on deposit. From there, I choose Visa under the card options since that's the method I'm using. Next, I enter the amount I want to deposit, and the platform sometimes shows a bonus or gift option depending on the offer. After confirming, I hit continue, and it redirects me to a secure page where I enter my card details just like any normal online payment. Once everything is confirmed, the transaction processes and the funds usually appear in the account shortly after. It's pretty seamless overall. To wrap it up, just make sure your card details are correct and supported, and you should be able to fund your account without any issues. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.